Hello guys, in this video we have to discuss about logic building and effective problem solving. That is called LBEPS. LBEPS stands for basically logic building and effective problem solving. Before starting any programming languages, first of all students should have knowledge about logic building. Then you can proceed for any specific programming languages, right? That one also called DSA, data structure and algorithm. So that is a part of logic building also. That one you have to learn before start any programming languages. Okay. Before start any programming language, your basic foundation should be strong so that you are able to enhance any programming language for your coming futures. In coming future, you can understand programming languages better if you know the logic building, effective problem solving. If you talk about logic, what do you mean by logic? Suppose in programming, if I'm doing 2 plus 2, so it equals to 4. If I'm doing 2 into 2 equals to 4. So my answer is same, but my logic is different. You get my point? So same way, before creating any programming language, before move on any programming language, first of all you have to go ahead for the logic building. Once you logic, like very simple example, suppose before speaking English, before writing any sentences, we have to learn alphabets A to Z. After that we have to combine the alphabets together like A double P L E apple. Then we have to make a sentence, this is an apple, this is an elephant, right? Same as it is in programming also, guys. Your foundation should be strong. After that you can extend all multiple programming languages. Why? Because any programming languages, guys, only syntax will different but logic will never change. For example, suppose if I talk about Python, in Python what we are writing for display output, we have to write print. C programming, we are writing printf, right? For input we are writing scanf. C++ we are writing C out for output. For input we are writing scene. Java system.out.println. If we talk about JavaScript, so document.write you have to write window.alert if you're looking for the pop-up, console.log if you're looking for the browser output. So each programming languages only syntax will different, but methodologies never change. Method never change. Method always same, but logic only syntax will going to be different. Logic will never change. Each programming languages we have a same data type, same variable, same operator, same conditional construct if else, nested if else, right? Only your syntax will going to be different. Is it clear? So before starting any programming languages, first of all you should make a logic building. In logic building forward you're going to learn how to create an algorithm for any specific problem, right? Like very simple example, guys, once we creating any program, so each program have an end objective. Without end objective we are not creating any kinds of program. Suppose you are doing any kinds of specific task. After doing your task, obviously I'm looking for output, right? Suppose you join any company, so why you join the company? Because you want to do job and you want to make money, that's it. Suppose you join any institution, you're looking for job, you're looking for knowledge. Once you have a knowledge you can get job easily, right? So everywhere logic building we have to use it. I hope it clear everybody. So all of us perform number of activity in our daily life. Like, can you identify some activity that you perform in your day-to-day life? Of course, some example of day-to-day activities are reaching college in time to attend your lecture, watching a movie, preparing for your exams. So all these activity require some amount of planning, right? How do you plan this activity? Like if I say, hello student, you have exam tomorrow, right? So you guys also say, okay sir, what you are saying, we need some time, right? Suppose you reach college on time. It's not like you wake up morning and you reach college, right? It's not like that. Once you wake up morning, you get ready, fresh up, take a breakfast, take your transport, then you have to come to college. Means each of the steps you just follow step by step. It's not like suddenly I wake up and reach the college. It's not possible, right? So we need some amount of time so that we can plan easily, we can plan properly each of the task. Watching a movie, if you're watching a movie, in that scenario you have to also make a plan with family member, friend circle, whoever's. Let's first step is planning is to identify the end objective that you want to meet. So let's consider an example. You need to reach college in time to attend your lecture every morning. The lecture started at 9 a.m. So so your objective is reach college latest by 8:55 a.m. means 8 past 55 minutes. So now that you have identified your end objective, what next? So I, in this scenario, you have identified your end objective. I have reached college latest 8:55 a.m. So that is my end objective because my lecture about to start 9 a.m. Okay. So obviously we have to reach college at least before 5 minutes. The next step to devise a step-by-step procedure to meet your objective, as you can see. So let's define the step-by-step procedure to reach college by 8:55 a.m. Step-by-step procedure to reach college in time. They get up 6:45 a.m. As you can see, get ready by 7:15. Have your breakfast like 7:30. Read the newspaper 7 past 45 minutes. I mean 15 minutes. And reach bus stop by 7:55. In case you are not able to reach bus stop by 8 a.m., check with someone whether bus has left. If bus has left, start looking for other option to reach college in time. Suppose you forget any specific transportation missed out, so you have to reach for the looking for another option like metro means just looking for bus or any specific one. Okay, so this is where you have to look another option you have to complete. So did you see how you complete your activity by following step-by-step approach? So this is a way, once you find out an end objective, you have to follow the step-by-step and you have to fix your problem. A similar approach is used by computer for performing their activity. Like, does that computer think like us and decide what to do in which situation? Definitely not, because computer don't have own intelligence. Computer don't have own intelligence. Computer don't have own sense, because computer is a non-living things. Computer always work on the set of instruction of the user. Who are the user? We are the user. We are given set of instruction to computer, right? That is called IPO cycle, basically input, process and output. We are given set of instruction as input to computer, data processing in CPU computer, right? CPU is the brain of computer, mind of computer, all data processing in CPU, output display on your monitor, laptop, desktop, whatever you are using, right? So guys, this was a simple introduction about the LVPS logic building and effective problem solving. So in this video we are going to continue. Okay, so I hope you like it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much.